In this video, I'm going to try for the first time to cut cookies with my new LT10 Sawmill. I've never done this before, so what I've done is taken a couple of 2x8s and set down as a bed for this because the log does not reach all the way in the supports. And then I've got this 2x6 up against the supports to have something to clamp it to. And so I don't imagine I'll have any trouble with it, but we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it shook a lot more than I thought it was gonna. It seems like it needs more support, or the log clamp needs to be higher up, and I might need to bring this up higher because as you can see from that video, it was shaking pretty good, which it's pretty solid, so that blade must put a lot of tension on that log, but it's a very clean cut. And I should be able to get some good cookies. So I'm going to try it one more time, and I'll move the log clamp up a little bit. Okay, so that wasn't a whole lot better as far as the shake goes, but I mean, it's consistent enough for me, and I set that one at about 2 inches thick, and that is a nice consistent 2-inch thick cookie. that can be used as a tabletop or a giant coaster or whatever you want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and get the rest of them cut up, and then we'll see what we got. So my big camera's battery died and it's charging now, but I went ahead and I cut up all of these. I cut them each at 2 inches thick, because that should give me plenty of room to finish them or sand them. I cut 1 or 2, maybe I think I cut this one about 2.5 inches, but they're all consistent and pretty clean cut. I mean, it's I don't have any water to dump on it, but I mean, it looks good. I'm gonna probably have to get them sealed or they'll start cracking. And then I also couldn't get any lower on this one. I don't have a shorter piece of wood to put here. Otherwise I'd have cut that one. That one's pretty chunky. It's still about 4 inches tall. But overall, the mill did good. One thing that does bother me with this mill, which a couple of other YouTubers have pointed out, is the water bottle. This design right here is really terrible. I mean, it's sitting here leaking just with water in it, and the valve turned off. You can see it's just sitting there constantly leaking. This just doesn't seal very well. But other than that, the motor, you know, it starts up first time, first pull, and everything else I'm pretty happy with. So thanks for watching this video. I have a lot of fun doing this. I'm just now getting started with my mill, so I'll try to document as many things as I can. I know it's really fun to watch because I've been watching them for years. So now I finally have my own mill, so I'll start posting my videos as well. But thanks for watching.